Yo, my top 3 favorite HexClad pans. Let's go. HexClad right now at the time of this video is doing their Black Friday sale, so you can visit the link below and get the best deal that you will ever get from HexClad. So what's going on? It's Chef Sakari from season 21 of Hell's Kitchen.
Let's have Sakari and Nicole, please. Step up.
Chef Ramsay's a legend for real, but I've cooked for a lot of chefs before, so I'm just excited. I'm not really intimidated.
Right, Sakari, current job now is what?
Introducing fine dining experiences to Black and brown communities.
Wow, so like pop-ups?
Yeah, pop-ups.
But give us an insight, how much do you charge them?
About $125 per plate, 7 courses.
Amazing. Describe the dish, please. What is it?
So this dish right here, we have a oyster stew with a confit cod.
So the base of the sauce is the oysters, or?
So the base of the sauce, I created an oyster fat, and then we have like a potato leek.
Man, there's a lot going on there. And how do you cook the cod?
Confited with a little bit of lemon zest.
It's a very complex dish, and I'm just sad that I can only give you 5. Congratulations. Pretty good.
Got a 5. Cooking up a storm and came across HexClad, and I actually love the product. I mean it. I'm very serious about this. I actually do love the product. If I didn't love the product, I wouldn't be making this video right now. My brand, Noble Promise, is all about keeping to our word. And so if I didn't like this product, I would not be making a video about this product. And so the reason why I'm doing this video is to hopefully help some people. Maybe there's some people that came across HexClad and they're like, I don't know if I should do it. It's an investment. Here, we're gonna go through 3 different pans that I use every single day, and we're just gonna talk about the product a little bit about history of the product and all that type of stuff. So on season 21 of Hell's Kitchen, I started using the product and it was good. And it's like really good. It held heat really well. It seared the scallops on the show very well. And it was very easy to clean. I had no idea really what I was cooking on until after the show. That's when I met the team and met everybody and really started to understand the founder's story, started to understand how Gordon became involved with it. And then I got shipped products and tested out products, and I just a little bit more and more just really start to fall in love with it. And I think the coolest thing about HexClad is like, I don't have to try to sell it. It sells itself, right? And I think for me, we're gonna go with number 1 right now is our little Saute pan here. So HexClad has a lifetime guarantee, total lifetime guarantee. So I can send this and get a new one or whatever the case is. It's very, very durable, right? Very durable. The hexagons here inside the pan actually help with it, have a better sear for you. And this pan I use a lot, right? So I use this as like my universal pan. I use it often, so I can clean a little bit better, but it's durable. It's been through the weeds, it's been through the war, if you will. But I think that's what you should see, right? Like, things get dirty. People cook with them. Things happen. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and show you a pristine pan. I'm gonna show you what it looks like as I use it throughout my day-to-day. But I think the number one thing, I mean, they have a stay cool handle right here, so it keeps it nice and cold. I think the number one thing that I love is when I'm at home, I do not wanna wash dishes. I do not wanna wash dishes. I hate washing dishes as a chef, but we do it. But for me, this is so easy to clean. I wipe it out, right? The non-stick, non-Teflon, so it's non-toxic. It just comes right out. And it sears like a cast iron, right? It holds the heat really well. I can get the sear of a scallop, so I can get the sear of a steak really well in here. And I understand why Gordon fell in love with it. One of the best chefs in the world. This is one of my favorite pans here, the Saute pan. Next here is like a little sauce pot. So this, I think I use this pan more than I use the Saute pan because I like stews. I like oatmeal. I like eggs. I like, And so I do a lot of things in this one pan, kind of cover it, leave it to the side, come back to it, and I eat out of this pan probably like every day. I eat oatmeal out of this. I'll make some scrambled eggs, whatever the case is, and I eat out of it, and then I clean out of it as well. It cleans so easy, which is my favorite part. Nice size. I think this is the pan that I use actually every day personally, because it's a little bit smaller, less to clean, and so I think this is my favorite pan of HexClad's, to be honest. Then the Saute pan, because you need this to sear steaks and all that type of stuff. But then we got the big boy coming through. Big boy. Here's the top. Guess what it is? It is the roasting pan. Now this pan right here, I love all HexClad pans. I like the wok. I like Saute pans, quart containers, saucepans, whatever. But this right here goes in the oven really well. You can have all that you need for your stew, for your sauces, or whatever the case is. Throw this in the oven. I can make my oxtail in here. My family's from Jamaica. I can make a lot. It's like almost like a rondo. In a professional kitchen, we call these things rondo, where they have like this big wide surface. So I can sear my steak in here if I wanted to. I can create a stew in here if I wanted to. But the best part is this covers it right here, boom. And you can put this directly in the oven, like so. This is like a really great pan. It's very versatile. You can use it on the stove top, you can throw it in the oven. Like I said, cleans very well. A lot of times when you're cooking in sheet trays, you have to scrape the sheet trays after, right? There's no scraping with this, right? With this technology, everything just comes off easily. And also, right, metal on metal. Metal on metal is totally fine. And so, I mean, this is definitely one, I think, number 3 for my favorite one, but it's just beautiful, isn't it? Like, look at it. Man. Yeah, I think this is it. These are the top 3 pans that I like. Visit the link below. Check out their stuff. If you want to get the best deal, it's a lifetime guarantee. Lifetime guarantee. That means if you don't like the way it does something, if it breaks, wherever the case is, you can send it and they will send you a new one, which is incredible. The team are wholesome, good people. Huge shout out to Jason, Cole, Danny. I've gotten to know these people and they're actually good human beings, which is important, right? A lot of corporations, a lot of companies, it's not like a lot of good human beings. I know the team really well. That's important to me. I've gotten to use this product. We've done events together. I've really started to fall in love with this stuff. And so I wanted to make this video to help people that are on the border. Maybe they're like, I don't know, maybe they just got a new house. Maybe they want to invest in their next cookware or something like that. I think this is the cookware to invest in. This is it. It makes cooking at home easy. Easy cleanup, easy. Man, I just love it. I love it. So I hope this video helps some people make a decision. And man, just send them out to love. Chef Sakari, as always. Peace.